Today, I'll be making a facial foaming cleanser using willow bark extract and tea tree essential oil. As you probably know, willow bark extract contains skin-soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. And together with tea tree essential oil, this foaming cleanser is suitable for oily and acne-prone skin. First, add EcoSense 3000 to a container. Then add tea tree essential oil. Decyl glucoside is a biodegradable, green, non-ionic, natural surfactant derived from corn sugars. It can also function as a solubilizer for essential oils. In another container, add distilled water. Next, add glycerin. Then, add panthenol and mix well. Now, add co-camidopropylbutane. After that, add willow bark 10% extract to the mixture. In this formula, I'm using 10% of the extract, which is equivalent to 1% salicylic acid. This is a standardized form of willow bark extract which provides consistent levels of salicylates. Now, add phase B to phase A and mix well. Don't forget to check the pH and adjust it to be between 5 and 5.5. Here, I'm using a 10% citric acid solution. Finally, add the preservative and mix well. Check the pH again and adjust if necessary. Now, pour the mixture into a foaming bottle. The use of foaming bottle is a must. The foaming bottle introduces air into the product and produces foam. No other types of bottles can do this. You may still use the product without the foaming bottle, but it will behave more like a watery liquid soap.